Hello kids, today we learn here multiplication. Today we learn here multiplication. First one, we learn here multiplication concept. Multiplication concept. See, here one pencil stand is here. Okay, one pencil stand is here. Each stand have three pencils. Each stand have three pencils. Each stand have three pencils. Okay. Now all this pencil, how much there? How many pencils are there in all? How many pencils in all? Okay. That time what you do? With addition concept, 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Same as it is now. One stand have three pencil. That time, what you do? Multiplication is a repeated addition. Multiplication means what? Repeated addition. So, how many pencil stand is there? 3. And how many each one have? Multiply there. 3 multiplied by 3, 3 3s are 9. It is easy na? Yes or no? Okay. This is a fish tank. And one have a two fish. One have a two fish is there. How many fish balls? Right there, 3 fish bowl. 2 is in each fish bowl. How many all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 fish in all. But how to do? First one, multiplication is a repeated addition. So write there 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. Now easy way is there. How many fish bowl? 1, 2, 3. Write there 3. And 1 how many is there? 2. 3 2s are 6. Understand? Concept is there. Okay. Now see here, multiplication means what? Repeated addition. Okay. Now given question you 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. That time what you do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times they repeated. So write there 5 and which number? 5. Multiply by 5. 5 5s are 25. See here 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 5 25. Understand? All of you understand? Okay. Now see here another one example. 4 plus 4 plus 4. How many repeated 4? 1, 2, 3. Write there 3. Multiply by which number repeated? 4. 3 4s are 12. Now multiplication is a repeated addition. So write there given multiplication, write in the addition form. Write the addition form. See here 5 multiply by 2. See how to do, how many time repeated, first write. Okay, and second time write which number. Here also same, 5 time repeated, which number, 2. Write there 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Next one, 3 multiply by 3 is equal to 10. 3 multiply by 3 means 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9. Understand? Now see here in the multiplication, first one number what you call multiplicand. Yeah, first factor, this is your important. Okay, and second number what you call multiplier, or what you call in the second factor. And what is the answer? What you call the answer? Product. What you call the answer? Product. Okay. Now count by twos. Count by twos and complete the number strip. Count by twos and complete the number strip. That time what the answer is there? You got there 2 table. You got there 2 table na? So write here 2 table. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Understand? Now same as it is 3. Count by 3 means you got there 3 table. You got there 3 table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Same as it is 4 table. Count by 4 means write there 4 table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. Count by 5 means jump there 5 and 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. Now 6 table. Count by 6 means write there 6 table. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. All of you understand now how to write table? Yes or no? You biheaded table. 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63, 7 10s are 70, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, 8 10s are 80, 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6 are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81, 9 10s are 90, 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30, 10 4s are 40, 10 5s are 50, 10 6 are 60, 10 7s are 70, 10 8s are 80, 10 9s are 90, 10 10s are 100. Biheaded their tables, okay? Now, when in the question given you 6 times 7, that time what you do? 6 first write, because of 6 time which number? 7. This type you answer right. Okay. Again one. 4 times 3 adds a addition written as 4 times 3 means 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12. Understand? Again one. The product of 10 and 3 is 10 multiplied by 3 is equal to 30. All of you understand? Now, how to write the product? How to write the product? Means 1 digit multiplied by 1. 1 digit multiplied by 1. See, write product. 9 5s are 8 7s are 6 3s are 4 5s are 3 9s are, okay, 5 9s are या 9 5s are. See, same number, 9 5s are 45, 5 9s also 45, 8 7s are, see, we write here table now, 8 7s are 56, 7 8s are also 56, 8 7s are 56, 7 8s also 56. Write their answer. 6 3s are 18, 5 4s are 20, 3 9s are 27. 27. Okay. In the multiplication, there is a two rules are there. Okay. First one, any number multiplied by 1 is the answer is the number itself. Number itself. And second one, any number multiplied by 0, that time answer या product is always 0. Understand? And see, 4 6 are 24. Yeah, 6 4 are 24. See here what you learn here, what you understand here. If you change the factor, order of factor, but product is does not change. Product is does not change. Okay. See here is first factor 4, but here is first factor 6. Here is second factor 6, and here is second factor is a 4. So if you change the factor, does not mind that one. Okay, means their product is does not change. Now see here, multiplication of two-digit number by one-digit number. Two-digit number means ones and tens. 32 multiplied by 2. 2 2s are. When you start the multiplication, that time ones multiply by ones first. 2 2s are 4. Then multiply by ones to tens. 3 2s are 6. And if write ones multiply by ones, write the answer in ones column. Ones multiply by tens, write the answer in tens column. Next one, 20 multiply by 2. 2 zeros are 0. Any one number multiply by 0, answer is 0. 2 2s are 4. 21 multiply by 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 6. 22 multiply by 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. In the multiplication words problem, they given you ones, anything, one's amount, one price, and you want there so many price. You want there so many price. Okay, see here. There are 5 turtle. Each turtle lays 7 eggs. 7 eggs. How many turtle are there? 5. Each turtle lays 7 eggs. 7 eggs. 5 7s are 7 5s are 35. There are 35 eggs in all. Understand how to do? There is a square fish pond. The length of each side 9 meters. What is the total length of 4 sides? That time what you do? How many sides are there? 4. One side 4. 9 4s are 36. Right there 9 4s are 36. Understand how to do? There are 5 seaweed on the one branch. How many seaweeds are there on 6 branch? 5 multiplied by 6 is equal to 30. There are 30 seaweeds on 6 branches. There are 8 goldfish in each fish bowl. How many goldfish will there be? 9 fish bowl. One have, how many is there? 8. You want how many goldfish? There 9. 8 9s are 72. 8 9s are 72. One fish cost is rupees 9. What is the cost of 7 fish? 9 sevens are 63. The cost of 7 fish rupees 63. Okay. Here multiplication revision is completed. Today's homework: to 220 table write 2 times, and multiplication of 2 digit number by 1 digit number write 4 examples, solve in your notebook. Okay. Thank you.